Hey guys, it's Shamira. Welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about customization 2 for the winter box. We're going to be looking through all the items that you can pick, and definitely make sure that you stick around to the end because I have a code to help you save money on your box. So let's get started. We have these Hourglass Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipsticks. That's a mouthful. Say that 5 times fast. These, first of all, we always know I talk about the packaging because it's important. And look how cute. I've never seen a lipstick look so cute and so sleek. Like if you pulled this out of your purse, someone would be like, that's a billionaire. These applicators are actually refillable. If you run out of product, you can just go online and get the lipstick inside and refill it in any one of these containers. They are 100% vegan, super long wearing, and they have a satin finish. This I'm wearing at night right now, at night. And it literally, I put it on first thing this morning. I've had breakfast, I've had coffee, I've had multiple coffees, and I haven't had to redo any application or anything, so it's really good. So we like this color. I'm feeling very holiday vibes. There are 3 colors though that you get to choose from. So this is the one that I'm wearing at night, and it's this really, really pretty, I'm so bad at describing colors. You can see it on my lip, it's a red, it's a pretty red. The next one is I Am, and it's an even more pinky color. Then the next color is If Only, and it's like a pinky, it's a pinky color. So I love wearing lipstick because I feel like it just really pulls your look together. Imagine this look without the red lipstick, it'd be like, okay, she's wearing a cream sweater. But with the lipstick, it's like, okay, she's going out on the town. She's a CEO. Next up, we have the OLEHENRIKSEN Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner. Toners are great, especially this one if you have any pigmentation in your skin. This is gonna be really brightening. It has AHAs and witch hazel water to reduce any dark spots in as little as 7 days. It also combats oil and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. I am always trying to step up my skincare game, so I've incorporated this toner into my daily routine. You pour a little onto a cotton pad after you wash your face, and then you just, circular motions, apply it on your skin. It has a tingly sensation, and it smells like lemon, sugar, really nice and fresh, so it also smells good, which is a win for me. And the packaging is also cute. You could display it on your sink. So next we have the MERSEA fabric shaver. I have been needing a fabric shaver for so long because I always go home to Minnesota in the winter. And if you don't believe that I'm from Minnesota, I'll say it again, Minnesota. There you go. So I have so many sweaters, this one is 3 years old. So I've been wanting a fabric shaver to just go over it and make it look fresh and new, remove all the lint and the fuzz. So what's nice about this is it is super tiny and portable. So if you have to travel somewhere, you can bring it with you, and it's super gentle on all fabrics. This is also a really easy thing to use to get all the little fuzzes that happen, when you sit on couches. So you can use it on couches, sweaters, blankets, anything where you just need to freshen up the fabric. So basically you just turn it on, and then you take your fabric and you just glide it along the fabric gently to remove any fuzz or pilling. Also, when you've used it a lot and there's a lot of lint and whatnot in there, you can swipe it out with this, which is nice. Next, we have the Perricone MD Cold Plasma Plus Eye Advanced Eye Cream. Another tongue twister for you guys 5 times fast. This is a really, really good product. First of all, great brand. It's super, super thick, and it's a jelly consistency. It doesn't really have a scent or anything like that, which is nice. I feel like if you're putting something on your eyes, you don't want it to be super scented. I've been using this, first off, for a couple weeks now, and I honestly do think it's made a big improvement on my puffiness. Right when I wake up, my eyes are always so puffy. So it's supposed to improve the feel and appearances of dark circles, puffiness, crow's feet, fine lines. If you're curious if it's time for you to get eye cream, we have a couple of things for you to consider. One is if you watch the Lizzie McGuire movie, it's probably time for you to get eye cream. If you were a big fan of going to Blockbuster, it's probably time for you to get eye cream. If any of those resonate, I think this would be a good one. Next, we have the Icon Beauty Mini Humidifier, and I love humidifiers because, like I said, I'm always going back and forth from LA to Minnesota, and it makes my skin so dry to be in Minnesota in the cold weather. I'm not used to it. So this is really, really good to make my skin and my hair less dry, more hydrated. It works by atomizing water to hydrate the air, and it fits, I mean, it's tiny, it's good size, so it fits in any room and it's super quiet. It also has a built-in nightlight and 2 LED modes and an adjustable misting mode. The top comes off like this. You wanna make sure that the filter is inserted into the cap, and then you replace the cap. You can also adjust the misting and the lights to whatever your preference is, whatever the vibe is. Pro tip, if this is your first time using it, flip the humidifier upside down so that the filter gets fully saturated. There are also 4 different filters that this comes with, so you can replace them. Next up, we have the Short Stories rolling pin. I have talked about this before, but I am on a baking journey. So last time, if you saw that video, I was trying to make beer bread. An update on that, I moved on to pumpkin bread, and it's actually really good. I also tried pizza dough with this roller. That was not so good, but the roller definitely helped to flatten and shape the dough. It's just like, it's the dough problem, it's the recipe, you guys. I can't get it right. If anyone's like trying to be a good baker but has not succeeded, let me know I'm not alone. This is 17 inches and it's a steel rolling pin. Naturally cool and smooth, and then the heaviness is really nice for like pressing out the dough without sticking. Showing you guys how to use this at the same time. Next, we have the FILA flexible back stretcher. Fun backstory about me, I used to be a ballet dancer and I have like a lot of back injuries from it. So I always look for something like this where it's gonna just stretch my back and kind of relieve any especially lower back pain that I might have. And this is nice because there are 3 different heights and 2 different textures that you can use for a customizable stretch. And these pointy bits are for acupressure. Acupressure? Yeah, acupressure. So how I use this is I just put it on the floor, I lay back on it, and it basically feels like someone like cracked your back or you just had like a really good stretch. It just is very nice. You could also use this on a chair to make sure that you're sitting with the correct posture, which is really nice too. And I think it's great for people who have like a 9-to-5 job sitting at their desk all day. Something like this, whether you use it to stretch on the floor or on a chair, is gonna be super nice after a long day of work. Oh, that was good. For a look at all the items that you can choose this season, make sure that you customize your winter box. That's your homework assignment, actually. Customize your winter box. And the code that I promised in the beginning is winter close-up. So let me know what you're gonna pick in the comments below, and I will see you all next season. Bye.